Hi, my friend. Thank you for the tip of buying this nice photon Oktober printer. Of course, I bought the curing chamber, well, yes, with it. Well, to make it short, I made a nice scan of Ina with the Sense 3D scanner. It's just a simple tool. It's the cheapest one, actually. After the scan, you import into Mesh Mixer. You can clean up the scan. There are a lot of options until you think it's okay. Then you import into Photon Anycube software. Here you have the statue. Actually, this is totally okay. It fits in what the printer can do. You slice under these settings and ready. Well, after this, it's totally simple. You put the stick into the printer, push print, search your file, and go. And actually, what I wanted to see, what I actually like about this is really amazing stuff. It's much better than all the others. I'll show you a few examples. Here we have the normal standard shitty printer from a normal printer. I made a few examples. We have here Marmaluk. We have gold. We have chrome. I have made a blue glass. It takes a bit longer, but the printer is very capable of doing it. Then an old look, like it's made out of some silver stuff. Actually, it's totally good. Thank you for showing me this printer.